Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the fourth video lecture of class for maths. If you open your page number 47, you will see some problems, ascending and descending, or less than or greater than functions on fractions. Now I have drawn here two figures. Both of them have three portions, and the first one has two of its portion shaded, so its fraction will be written as 2 over 3, and this one will be 1 over 3. Now it's easier to understand this with the diagram, because 2 over 3 and 1 over 3, if we compare both these fractions, we can see the more parts of this shape are shaded, so 2 over 3 is actually greater than 1 over 3. Similarly, if we see these fractions here, now 3 over 7 will be less than 5 over 7. We can say 5 over 7 is greater than 3 over 7, and similarly this one, 5 over 8 is actually greater than 4 over 8, so it will be written as this. Attempt the other questions which I am not able to solve here on board because I have less time here. So the other question which will be difficult for you, I'll be explaining it to you. It is the ascending order. We have to rearrange these fractions into ascending order. Ascending order is actually lesser than from smaller value to the greater value. So the smallest fraction in the given four fraction is 2 over 7. We have to write 2 over 7 here first, then 3 over 7, 3 over 7, and then here we have 4 over 7, and then 6 over 7. So perform these ascending descending functions on the other questions. I believe there are 7 of them remaining on the page number 47, and tomorrow we will be doing performing other functions on the fractions too. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.